Hey, Libra Gang, how y'all doing? Shakira Ruth. Welcome back to another little series on this rainy day. Hope y'all doing fine. Yeah, I'm glad when it rains, it cleans up everything, makes things grow, and give us water. Okay? Appreciate that. All the rain gods and goddesses. Yeah. So I'm do a little reading, yeah, and some other little stuff. See what's happening. Maybe I can help in some type of way. Okay, this one. Get one more if it let me. Okay. Both of these were upside down. Libra gang. And the first one is Three of Cups. Celebration, bright happenings. Second deacon, Cancer, Mercury. So we're not celebrating with friends. No, I'm chilling. I don't really want to be bothered, y'all. I don't know if y'all, maybe some of y'all are, but kind of in a hermit mode, celebrating privately. Just want to chill. Okay. And the next one was upside down. Four of Swords. Sickness, bed illness, needing to take time out, rest and relaxation is needed here. Third deacon, Libra, Jupiter. Okay. So it's upside down, y'all. Sure not getting the rest we need. We sure need it. Probably working too much, thinking too much. People bothering us too much. Want to come in around in our world too much. We love them, but we need a break too. So we go do something. Okay? But we need to do this, y'all. Just chill. You know? Close the door. People say we need to get out more, but maybe so. Later. Trying to get things in order. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but that's how I feel. So I'm going to do a medical affirmations, see what they want to tell us. Okay? Let's see. Get my thoughts together. Trying to get a whole bunch, but this is good enough. Let's see. It's saying, oh, sorry, it says, I'm position this. Fight to think positive today against your brain, people. Hello. 5 minutes breathing exercise. Okay. There you. I don't think every mate or my mate is messing over me. Questions on the table. I let others know if I go both ways or want to experiment, so don't try and trick me. I don't embarrass myself or others. I don't live in the past, future. I live in the now. Hello. Okay. Let's do a little uh, love stuff. See what they want to tell us about that. I'm trying to situate it, y'all, so we can go off on the other video. Okay, let's see what they want to tell us, y'all. One jump out. I think I got two. Okay, the first one is I want someone who is going to do whatever I say. If they looking at for us, they in bad shape. And we usually like freedom, so we don't try to do that to people. If y'all are, y'all know better than that. And I know y'all ain't for let nobody else do that. Can you let any an unhappy marriage go to find your true love? Been left mine. Just haven't found the right person to do it again if I even want to. Still working on me. So ask yourself that question, y'all. Can you let it go? Can you stand strong on your own? Okay. So let's go to, oh shoot, give me a hard time. Affirmations of truth. And see what else they want to say. Libra Gang Gang. Let's see. Look at who's around you and ask yourself, are you growing with them or in your environment? Good question. I am not a one night stand chick or guy. I pay people and myself back. I don't like to make others jealous. I always speak things into existence. I don't have a double life with my side piece. Don't have a side piece. I am not conceited that I think every man or woman wants me. Everyone has a type. I don't like drama or scandal. I am not a corn artist. Okay. Hello. Let's see. Do a little healing plant. See if you're looking for something they want to tell you about. And then I'm going to let y'all go. Libra Gang Gang. A little quickie rainy day reading. Okay, something jumped out. Okay, let's see what that is. Green seaweed or sea vegetables are forms of algae that grow in the sea. They're red, green, brown, and black in color, grows along rocky shorelines. We gotta find a better one than that, okay? Let's see, y'all. Bear with me, Libra Gang Gang. Get a better understanding. Okay. Let me see, I gotta pull this out. Sorry, y'all. Trying to hold y'all up with this. Okay, let's see. Okay. Man, I gotta dig all the way in the deck. Okay, found it. Green seaweed. Omega-3, vitamin B12, protective antioxidants, free radicals, less acting, won't damage cells, stop heart disease or diabetes, fiber, supports gut health, balance good and bad bacteria to stop disease, stops hunger to reduce weight gain, reduce heart risk, type 2 diabetes, improve blood sugar control. Okay? Well, I hope that helps y'all. Libra Gang Gang. Until next time, love y'all. It's your girl Ruth signing off. Take care. Would you like, subscribe, share, and comment? I really appreciate it. All right. Bye, y'all.